Hello. The left hand constant repetition keeps you going. I understand that. But it can be annoying to listen to. I'm going to demonstrate some very slight variations you can do just to make it a little bit easier on your listener's ear to not be assailed by that noise. Just vary it a little bit, like this. For a start, I don't believe really that the first note of the bass there is separate from the second one. I think the first individual note should be there to support and build up like that, so that they actually belong together. Not perhaps for all the time, but for part of the time. So you get for a start, it may not be the first and second which you've joined. It may be the third and first of the next bar. So you might get one is slightly more legato. You don't have to hold it totally. A slight overlap is probably all that's necessary. And did you catch, there was one other thing I did. It's not necessary to play them in that order. You should have a good feel for where the first beat of the bar is. That's quite a lot to take in, I know. And while we're at it, let's add one more point. That was 3 points, really, I think. And the third point is maybe the bellows. Rather than you might do relax the bellows after you play the note. And you get a sweeter sound, a sound almost like percussive. You can do it on the right hand as well, of course. The easiest way to start doing that is to emphasise, just to play a little bit harder, but as you get into it, you should be able to do it relaxing more and more. The more you can and you can vary the sound of your accordion and make it pleasanter to listen to. I think so. I'm probably outnumbered, but I think so. 3 points for you there.